Hope to see you with me, cause
welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So of course today I am back with another Amazon wig. This is the second wig that I bought from like the two that I told you guys that I was gonna buy. So once I get these out of the way, I plan to buy the rest that were in the little like collage that I had on my community center. So you know, I'm just going through the list. This unit is from Amazon and it is the bomb, y'all. This is probably one of the best blonde synthetic wigs that I've had. Like, let's just get into it, y'all. Let's just get into it. So you guys, this is from a seller. Their name is FUSHI, I believe. But before I get into any specs, I really just want to take in this wig. Like, this is so pop. Like, no shedding or tangling. Running my fingers through it, it's perfectly fine. Like, y'all, I am so obsessed with this fucking wig right now. Like, it's giving me life. Like, oh my god, this is the best blonde wig that I've ever freaking had. Let's just so you guys, this is a unit from a seller called FUSHI. This is a 13 by 6, yes, 13 by 6, and it's a lace frontal wig, fully synthetic. It says 22 inches, but you guys know I'm tiny, so this is definitely falling like 26 on me, but that's even better because it can look like I got me some 613 hair and some long lengths. Oh, I'm happy about that. So the price of this unit is $49, just $49, free shipping, Prime. Of course. Let's just get into a couple of specs. So right off the bat, based off the reviews, I was kind of skeptical. I'm like, should I get it or not? Because some people were saying they didn't like how thick it was, and I'm just thinking of this super bulky 613 wig. I'm like, I'm not getting that. No, I'm not gonna be walking around with no bulky 613 wig. That just looks terrible. It's already a 613 wig as it is. It's synthetic, so bulky and thick, that just would not help. But y'all, I think this is the perfect freaking density. Like, I need to buy like 2 or 3 more of these because, dude, it's like a replica for 613 bundles and a freaking frontal. So of course the frontal, the lace, it is soft and it is ear to ear. You can do half up, half down. Y'all, hold on, because do y'all see this part of his face? Have y'all ever seen part of his face that long? Because I haven't. Not on a synthetic unit just yet. So parting space was definitely something that stood out to me. Like, I'm like, what? This is only this much, and it got this, and it looked like this, and what? So like y'all know, in the video that I did yesterday, I said I had no dry shampoo. I still don't. I'm actually going to the store after this, so I'm gonna get some. It's on my list, don't worry. So the shine is a little bit, I mean, it can be extra to some people, but it's honestly fine to me. I don't really care about the shine. I mean, the wig itself is so gorgeous. So you guys, shipping took about it took 1 day. This was the one that I ordered with the pink wig. It was only 1 day I paid for it, but usually it's 2-day shipping with Amazon, and it came in this cute little box, and it just has some wig care tips in there, and then it has this card. It says style 613, color 613, inches 22. It says density is 250, so I'm not sure. If you want to thin this out, that is very possible, but I don't mind it, honestly. This unit is gorgeous. Either way, thinned out or not, whatever. So yeah, let's just get into some specs on the cap. So there is 3 combs, and then 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. And then the lace is soft. I think I already said that. So the texture is like a silky, yucky, bro. This, honestly, y'all, this hair is kind of reminding me of human hair. Like, dude, just look how... It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's just capture that real quick. So pretty, right? Yeah, I was so obsessed with that. I love it. Like, it's thebomb.com. Shedding and tangling so far. Haven't gotten much shedding. Only when I cut the lace, and that was my fault because I went into the hairline. Oops, I know. I do that every time because I don't like how like the hairlines just go straight across. I try to make them like kind of jagged so it looks a little more realistic. I didn't do any plucking to the parts. I literally just took this out as it was, put some powder in here gently because I didn't want to mess the line up. So this is following the line that it already came with, and then I just cut some baby hairs into it, and that's about it, you guys. So this might be a banger for the summer, y'all. Only thing people wouldn't want to pay for is probably the price. I get it. $49.99 is a little bit much for a synthetic wig, but look at what you're getting. The length, the length and the color, don't forget. Y'all, this bomb ass parting space. So I mean, so do I think this is worth it? I do. So y'all, if I can go ahead and buy this wig with my own money, and I'm saying I'm gonna buy like 2 or 3 more, shoot, oh, y'all can do it too. If y'all want to look bomb and look like y'all got that 613, and this texture is the bomb, so you don't have to worry about too much shedding or tangling. I will keep you guys updated because I do plan on wearing this a lot, like a lot. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I didn't want to ramble or anything, but just let me know, you know, what y'all thinking in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Once again, this was paid for with my own money. I was not sponsored or anything. So yeah, thumbs up if you guys like this. If I missed anything, leave it down below. I'm kind of in a rush because I am waiting on a ride. So let me know what y'all thinking, if y'all feeling it. I thank you guys so much for coming and watching another one of my videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.